Welcome to the project demonstration of gas cylinder level monitoring and alerting with gas leakage detection using Arduino. In this project we are using Arduino Nano and LCD display, buzzer for the buzzer alert, and GSM module, weight machine and gas sensor. And also here we can see HX711 module. So here we can see the weight machine which is connected to this HX711 module. Through this one we are connecting to this Arduino Nano. And also here we can see the track PCB. So the main aim of this track PCB is to give the equal power to the all components like gas sensor, LCD display, nano board, buzzer and HX711 module. Now we are giving the power supply through this adapter. Here we can see which takes 230 volts of AC power supply through this one, and also it will give a 12 volts of output, DC output through this side. So we are providing that DC power to this GSM module. So here we can see, so we are placing the Airtel SIM. We have to place only Airtel SIM, then only it will give a correct result. So we are using SIM adapter. So we will not provide a SIM adapter. So we are just demo purpose we are using this one. So if you don't have any SIM adapter, then you will place like this. So here we can see the notch, SIM notch, and also here we can see the notch. Then have to place like this. So now we have a SIM adapter. So if you have any SIM adapter, then you will maintain like this. So and also place like this. Now it is perfect. So we have to give a power supply through this adapter. So first of all, see this one only, not all the system. So here we can see that if it is blinks more, light blinks more, which means it is not, this Airtel SIM is not connected to the network. So if light blinks slowly, which means this Airtel SIM is connected to the network, then only it will give a messages to the register number. Now it is connected. Here we can see the light blinking very slowly, which means it is connected to the network. Now after that we have to reset this Arduino Nano board. Sorry, Arduino Uno board, not Nano board. So it is inside, remove the weight, and it is showing again welcome to the project. After that it is showing done, keep weight. So for the weight purpose we are providing this battery. So now here we can see the total weight. So if weight is less than 0.45 kilograms, then it will give a message to our phone. So here we can see low level alert. It is giving a buzzer alert, and also it will give a message to our registered mobile number. Here we can see gas level is low, and also it will give a message for the gas leakage also. Here we can see. So we are providing the gas through this lighter. Place like gently. So now it is detected. So and also it is giving a gas alert. It will give a buzzer alert, and also it will give a message to our phone. Here we can see gas leakage alert. In this way, if the weight is less than 0.45 kilograms, and also if it detected any gas leakage, then it will give a buzzer alert. At the same time, it will give a message to our registered mobile number. In this way, this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.